everyone, this is Ankita Mallick. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get this minimal makeup look, which is my go-to makeup look these days. So if you're someone looking for a quick minimal makeup look, then please continue watching. I have already washed my face and have no products on my face. I'm wearing the Nivea Berry Shine Lip Balm to hydrate and moisturize my lips. It's a tinted lip balm. I know I have minimal makeup look videos already on my channel, and here is another one because the kind of weather we have, it's impossible to wear a full face of makeup. I have been wearing minimal makeup since a year now every time I go out because the humidity is insane. So let's just start the video already. First, always go for the skincare. Prep your skin well before you apply any makeup products because that helps in minimizing the makeup usage. Here I am taking just 3 to 4 drops of the Minimalist Salicylic Acid Face Serum that I have recently started using for the blackheads, and I just apply it on my nose and chin, areas that are prone to blackheads and whiteheads, basically the center of my face. So far I'm loving the product. It feels sticky on the skin and I give it few minutes to settle into my skin before I jump into the next skincare product. I believe you need to give each product a good few minutes to settle into your skin when layering so that it works better and does not get mixed up with the product layering all at a time. It's safe, healthy and works for me. Next, if you watch my videos, you know it's the Dot & Key Skincare Niacinamide Acid Face Serum. The best product you could gift to your skin is the magic serum you could have for your skin. I love niacinamide. Next, I'm using the Pond's Super Light Gel. This product has been my constant ever since it arrived in the market. The best affordable moisturizer you could have. Said this before and I'm going to repeat it again. Don't forget to prep your under eyes. I'm taking the Dot & Key Retinol plus Caffeine under eye cream and applying it under my eyes so that my under eyes are well moisturized and also it fills in the fine lines. Basically, I follow my complete morning skincare routine before makeup and it works beautifully for my skin. The makeup blends beautifully on my skin and I end up using the least quantity of the makeup products. Ending my skin prep by using the Dot & Key Sunscreen Stick with SPF 50. This is a perfect sunscreen product you could have, especially if you have oily skin, because this product does not feel heavy or greasy. It kind of mattifies the skin. If you don't know how much sunscreen to apply, then this product can be really helpful. Just swipe it on your face and neck, covering every single area, and you are good to go. You can also top it up with a full face of makeup on. So after the skin prep, let's jump into the makeup. I'm taking the Colorbar Flawless Finish Primer and applying it on my face. It's necessary to apply primer even if you're going for a minimal makeup look because primer helps in filling in the open pores and also holds the makeup well for all day long. So always apply a primer that suits your requirements before applying any makeup. Also, never forget to apply the primer under the eyes because that fills in the lines, minimizing the creasing. Next, I'm taking the Faces Canada Strobe Cream with shea butter and hyaluronic acid. This is like the perfect product if you're going for a minimal makeup look and want a subtle healthy glow on your skin. Like, I'm in love with this product. It comes with a pump. I'm applying few dots and blending it using my fingers. And you can see very subtle and it looks natural, like the perfect amount of glow. I have applied it on the back of my left hand and you can see the difference. Now for the base, I'm using the Coloressence Illuminate HD Makeup Base. It is in the shade number 4, I think. It is compact plus foundation and it comes with a puff and a mirror like you can see. So what I do is I use my fingers and pick little bit of the product and I don't go too close to my lash line. I keep a few distance and apply it just on the uneven part to cover up the darkness, and this also helps me with avoiding any product getting settled into the crease lines. So I just gently blend the product like a cream, but don't be aggressive with swiping like an under eye cream. Use the gentle dabbing and slightly swiping motion so that it gives you some coverage. Also make sure you blend it out around the edges so that it looks well blended on the skin and it looks skin-like. Now I have pigmentation around the corner of my nose, so I'm gonna apply it there and also a little bit on my chin. That is it. You can see the rest of my face is completely untouched. I just applied the product on the places I felt needed little bit of coverage, just so the complete face looks even. Now if you have acne spots or marks on your face, you can use the spot concealing technique and just dab the product softly over the spot to cover it up. Also, I don't apply or set my face with any loose powder because it works for me, but you can try and see what suits your skin the best. Now for the eyelids, you can leave it as it is or you can add some neutral shades. I'm taking the Rimmel London Natural Bronzer. It's matte, so it's perfect if you want to add some color, keeping the look natural. Just lightly blend around the eyelids so that it doesn't look overdone. Apply a little bit under the eyes close to the lash line to put the eye look together. Softly blend around the edges. I applied a thin eyeliner using the Maybelline New York The Colossal Bold Eyeliner. Now for the eyebrows, I used the Incolor Cosmetics Delicate Eyebrow to fill in the gaps, followed by the e.l.f. Cosmetics Wow Brow Gel to set the brow hairs in its place. Next, I'm taking the Rimmel London Bronzer again and bronzing up my face. It's completely optional though. Some days when I feel like I go for the bronzer and some days I don't. Depends on how you want your makeup to look. Next, I'm taking the LoveEarth Multipot Lip and Cheek Tint and applying it on my cheekbones. Also, I would like to add this, while layering the products, always apply the cream products first and then go for the powder products. I had to mention this because you just watched me applying the powder bronzer before the cheek tint. Now, the base did not get disturbed as I have not applied any base product on my cheekbone and temple. But if you apply foundation and concealer like a full face of makeup, then always blend the cream products first and then go for the powder products. Next, I'm taking the Sugar Pop Ultra HD blush and applying it on the top of the cheek tint. Because the blush wears off real quick, so to make it last long, apply a cream blush first and then top it up with a powder blush. Make sure you don't go overboard and pick least amount of the product and keep it soft and subtle. For the lashes, I'm taking the Sugar Pop Volumising Mascara. Also, just to mention, it's not a waterproof mascara, so just keep that in mind before buying the product, or if you have this product, stay away from the water to avoid any mess or spoiling the makeup. I'm not adding any falsies for this makeup look because I don't wear falsies when I go out, so I'm keeping it as it is. Now for the lips, first I'm gonna wipe off the tinted lip balm. Drinking some water before applying lipstick. I'm taking the Sugar Pop Matte Mousse in the shade Caramel Custard and applying it on my lips. It is such a beautiful shade and the formulation is beautiful. It feels really soft and comfortable on the lips and it doesn't feel dry at all. And so this is the final look. Simple, minimal and really comfortable for the places with hot, humid weather. A perfect everyday makeup look. I really hope you loved the makeup look and the video was helpful. Before you go, please subscribe to my channel for more such videos and hit the like button below if you loved watching this video, and I'll see you in my next. Bye!